On shores of old, I'll lay you to rest and watch you sail on to your final place. To your final place, I'll watch you sail on. And tears come down on the darkest of days to water the earth and carry me on till I hear your voice and I'll tell you goodbye and you'll whisper the same. Goodbye, goodbye, I'll tell you goodbye. On curling waves, carry me home in a ship made of song. On howling winds, I'm running away with a heart made of glass. Till I shatter and break, I shatter and break. No matter what they say, I'm still holding fast to the memories of you and the sweet whispered words that I still hold true. I'll carry on with a tear in my eye and a faltering step. But one day I know I'll drink to the joy instead of the pain. On curling waves, carry me home. And curling waves, carry me home in a ship made of song. On howling winds, I'm running away. On howling winds, I'm running away with a heart made of glass. Till I shatter and break, I shatter and break. And a 1, 2, 3, now will these curses run dry, and I will find peace and joy far from here. I'm breaking me free from the darkest of days. I'm finding a way, I'm breaking me free. With a tear down the cheek that might water this earth, I know, I'm still holding strong. On curling waves, carry me home in a ship made of song. Carry me home on curling waves. On howling winds, I'm running away with a heart made of glass. I'm running away on howling winds till I shatter and break. I shatter and